Okay, hopefully a short, sharp video on how to solve exponential equations here using your calculator. All right, so first thing we want to do is we're going to do the graphing option. It's not my preferable one here. We'll show you the SolveN in a minute. So you can see here, 3 to the x equals 7. We've typed in two different functions. So the left-hand side we put as y1, so 3 to the x, and then we pop in 7 for y2. We will always go Shift View Window, and I'm going to go to Standard, preferably. In this case, we're really lucky that we get something here. If the graph didn't appear, one of the options that we can have is Shift, Zoom, so F2, and then press Auto. We don't have to do that in this case. We're good. So our solution is this intersection right here. So we're going to go Shift, oops, what did that do then? We're going to go Shift, G-Solve. We want to press F5 for intersection. All right, and this, our x value here, the x 1.77, that's our solution. All right, hopefully you can see here with question 2, if we tried doing it in the graphing mode, the numbers are a lot bigger, and so we're going to have to fiddle with the scale. So my preference is to do this. We go into the run mode, so number 1, and we want to find our option key, which is to the right of our shift. So option. We then want calc, so we press F4, so underneath this calc, F4, and we want SolveN, so we press F5. Now all we do is type in our equation. So it's 3 to the x. We want our equals, which is, by the way, press your arrow key so you're not up there at the power. Our equal sign is above our decimal, so we're going to press Shift, decimal, pop the 7 in, close our brackets, enter. Don't worry about that. That's if we have quadratics or cubics. You can have more than one solution. We just press exit, and there we go. We get exactly the same answer that we had previously. The bonus for this is when we do questions like this, where they're massive numbers, we don't have to worry about scale. All right, now I'll just do that one more time. So I'm just going to exit this so I get back to the normal calculator screen. So how do we get back to SolveN? Well, we go option, okay, option, we want calc, and SolveN, so F5. And then we type in what we see. So in this case, we're going to go 250 times, you can pop the brackets in if you want to. I'm living on the edge and not putting them in, 1.125 to the x, arrow key out, right, shift, equals 470. Close your bracket. Please double check what you've written on your screen is exactly what you're meant to write, because if you accidentally put the wrong number, there's no working out, there's nothing to help you with this. Then you press enter. Yep, that's okay, it can be more than one. We press exit, and this is our answer here. So put it to 2 decimals, 3 decimals, whatever you want. Hopefully it's a good reminder of how you can use SolveN to help you solve these. And of course, this also will work for linear equations. Okay, so if I have 5x, let's make it a fraction, 5x over 2. Take 8, let's go equals, okay, when equals 3x plus 4. I'm just making this up, right? Let's hope there is a solution. We press enter, press exit, and there you go. So really great tool that our graphics calculators offer us.